I had some thoughts this morning about my relationship with this whole thing. I've learned a lot. This has been an incredible learning experience. But at the rate it's going, this could literally go on forever. And what I realized this morning is basically this. I'm pretty good here. This is pretty accurate. I do want a lighter gray in here, but that's more or less where I was heading, what I wanted to get. But it's just not really working for me. So I'm going to try one more variation of this theme. And if that doesn't work, I'm just going to go back to something I learned earlier in the process and do a totally different take on this to create the effect I want without worrying about being realistic. But this whole process, for some of you, I imagine, has been incredibly boring. For others, maybe you've learned something, I hope so. But for me, it's come to the point now where I realize that this has been a learning exercise as opposed to an artistic one. And I'm at the end, and I'm going to wrap it up. So there we go. That's what we're looking at today. Hmm. There's my gray. Okay, when I look at this from the other side, this is just too dark, too much there. I like it, but it's a bit too much. So I want to just put a little lightening in there. Very, very lightly. Bingo. Bingo. Boom. There you go. There we go. There you go.